to another studio vlog. It's been ages since I did one, but I will try my best to make them a bit more consistent now again. I have no clue how well this will work with my full-time job and everything, but I'm trying my best because I really want to do studio vlogs again. I really enjoyed the filming and everything. So yeah, here I am. This week I have 2 free days from work, so I will try my best to get as much done as I can in that time. I have 2 things that I need to show you that I ordered, so we'll do a little unboxing with you now. And also I have a few things that I need to work on this week. A few designs for one of the machines that I got, and yeah, also a bit of an animation. I want to have like probably already saw the studio vlog animation that I will most likely add in the video. That's something I will work on in this vlog, and yeah, we're gonna prepare a few new products that I want to add in 2 or 3 weeks with a studio update, with a shop update. And yeah, there are a lot of other things that I have to work on. My to-do list is endless, but I guess everyone's to-do list is always endless. Does anyone ever have a to-do list that's not bottomless, endless? I doubt it. But yeah, I'd say let's get started and let's do some work.
So the first thing I want to show you is my new stream deck. I'm so excited for it. I wanted to get one for ages, and I finally got one on sale. And the next thing that I bought and that I want to show you is my new pin button press. I'm also super excited for that. I wanted to get one of those for ages as well, and now I finally got one, and I'm super excited to try it out. And here I'm just trying to figure out how it works and how to assemble it, where all the parts go. I also got a bag of 50 of those empty buttons, and I'm just filling them up in some little containers that I got for organization. I also had to refill them to a bigger one because yeah, it took more space up than I thought. And here are all the little containers with the materials. And yeah, then it was time to make myself some breakfast. So I got some fresh blueberries from the garden and made myself a little bowl. A couple of weeks ago I went to Dokumi, which is a huge anime convention, and I got a sticker book in the artist alley, and I couldn't resist getting one to organize all my stickers. So yeah, here I'm just putting all the stickers that I got from fellow small businesses, etc. into my new sticker book. And also I actually did some research already, and I'm super excited to try making sticker books myself one day. But for now, I want to try out the pin buttons first, and maybe in a few months or so, I want to invest in all the materials to make my own sticker books. That would be so cool! Thing about those sticker books is that it's reusable, obviously, so you can put all your stickers in there, but since it's also sticker paper, you can just peel them off as much as you want there, and use them, so it's a great storage to have all your stickers. So let's start with some illustration work though. Here you can see me working on the first illustration, the first design that I was trying to do for the pin buttons. I already had the sketch done and everything, so I was basically just refining the design. And this one is supposed to be pronouns badges, so I decided to go with she, her, he, him, they, them, ask my pronouns, and any pronouns for now, but I might also adjust it to a few more pronouns as I go, but yeah, that's the one I started with. And yeah, I'm just finishing up the design here. And here you can see the finished design. Now I'm starting to work on a little animation for the studio vlogs, for the intros. I started with a lettering one, which is actually quite a simple animation that just takes quite a long time because you have to write the word that you want to animate over and over and over again. But if anyone's interested, I would love to do a little tutorial on that because it's a super fun kind of animation, and like I said, it's quite easy and beginner friendly. So yeah, just let me know if you would like to see a little tutorial on that, and I would love to do one. So after finishing the pronouns badges, I started working on the next design, which was the silly goose one, and I absolutely adore that design. I also worked on that on a co-working session in my Discord server, so if you ever would love to join some co-working sessions, feel free to join my Discord server because we have regular co-working sessions there, not just for art, but yeah, also for art, obviously. And yeah, it's always a nice time, so feel free to join.
So I got quite a few things done already. I did a few studio vlog animations, like with the lettering, and I worked on a few of the pin designs, mostly on the Silly Goose one. But yeah, I have to go to work now, and afterwards I hopefully will try out the button press, so stay tuned for that. So I'm back home now, and I already put the files into Photoshop so I can prepare like the little extra space for the button press, because there needs to be a bit more space. I'm gonna show you. So this is gonna be the design. It's gonna be 37 millimeters, but the overall image needs to be 49. So yeah, I'm just gonna adjust that now, and then we can do the first test. I do have a standing desk, but I always wanted to get one of those fancy walking pads, but they're so hella expensive. So what I got instead is this little bicycle thingy where I can sit on now.
And after starting my printer, I realized that my printer was almost out of ink, so first things first, I had to refill some ink. But now is the time to finally try out the new pin button press. Oh, I'm so excited. First of all, I had to cut the designs into circles, obviously, which is quite easy to do with the machine because it comes with something to cut it. And there he is! Look at him! Isn't it so cute? And I already tried out all 5 of the designs. I sadly forgot to film any of the process for YouTube while working on the little frog panels, but I filmed a few bits and bobs for TikTok, so you can actually check it out there, or I will probably also upload it as a YouTube shorts, so you can see it there. So I just uploaded the little frog panels to my Ko-Fi. They are so cute! Look at them! If they would focus. But yeah, here they are. I uploaded them with the description and everything. So yeah, they are available on my Ko-Fi now.
So it's Thursday now, and I have another workday at my day job again. Actually, for the rest of the week, I'm working in my 2 regular jobs, so I will have a bit of less time to work on art stuff and business stuff, but I hope that tonight I'll manage to work a bit on some other sketches I already did. I'm currently working for the Twitch assets on some frog emotes fitting to the frog coin currency and the panels. And for the buttons, I have a lot of sketches that I need to finish. And yeah, so let's see what I'm feeling tonight, which I want to continue working on. And also, I have my next stream on a Saturday, and we're gonna play Sticky Business. So when you see this vlog, I already had a stream, but I still haven't set up my stream deck yet, so I also have to find some time before Saturday to at least set a few things up, so I can test it out on Saturday. So yeah, I'll maybe do that tonight as well. We'll see how it goes. But yeah, I have to go to work now. Bye bye.
And that's basically it for this week's vlog. I was sadly a little bit too busy at the rest of the week, so I didn't really got that much more footage done. But I hope you enjoyed these little studio vlogs, and I hope I have more time to be a bit more consistent with them again and do more of them. They will not be weekly though, maybe bi-weekly, or at least I tried to do at least once per month, but we'll see how it goes. But yeah, anyway, thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed it, and I hope to see you again soon. I hope you take care, and you remember that you are amazing and a cute little bean, and I hope to see you soon. Bye bye.